I man always love to check this. I man always love to check this. I always love to see when Titchfield School over. Check this world. To the world. Big up all past students. We got Titchfield School. So the school there. On the Foreshore Road. Just bus world. Great school. One of the #1 uniform in the world. See it here. Titchfield High School. To the world. Crazy. And you know, education. School, you know, youth. Yeah, they are them just, you know, take in one who can take in while you can. Yeah, and love each and every one. And may I ask the bad man, them put on them gun and look on them youth here, them look beautiful. I come from school, brother. I did with this, you know. See, and may I ask you, you know, Mr. Andrew Holness. Remember, may I ask you, for the benefit of them youth here, Mr. Andrew Holness. You see how them look innocent? Them not look innocent, they are innocent. For the benefit of them youth here, Mr. Andrew Holness, and all the necktie man them throughout the world, especially Jamaica, may I ask if you put a police woman and a soldier man at every school gate in Jamaica, no matter the size school. I could have small school, I could have big school, I could have high school, I could have low school. No footstool. To the world. Titchfield School. Prime Minister, may I ask if you do that for you, yeah? Titchfield School to the world. Crazy. Ain't no maybe. Jaja know what you with them, man. Mr. Andrew Wallace, please do this for the benefit of them youth here. The Prime Minister of Jamaica, may I ask if you put a policewoman and a soldier man at every school gate in Jamaica and check every school before them go in and check every teacher, every security guard, every civil worker, everyone at the school gate. To the world, Veteran TV, big up all African, American, German, Canadian. What you mean? Ghana, up top. Yo, big up the world, to the world. Veteran TV, Titchfield High School to the world. Good afternoon.